Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be sharing another review of my favorite lotion variant, and that is the Vaseline Gluta Hya. This time I have tried the blue variant, which is the Gluta Hya Overnight Radiance Repair. If you have been watching my videos for a long time, you know that I super duper love this Vaseline Gluta Hya lotion, and I have tried the pink and the yellow one. And if you haven't seen my review on those two variants, I will be putting the video link here so that you can also watch and compare the three variants that I have tried. And together with this blue variant, I will be sharing this Vaseline Gluta Smart Radiance Reloader. This is a serum. This is a concentrate body serum that I've seen on my newsfeed that this really does work. So I tried it, and I will be sharing with you my full-on experience. As you can see, this one is almost empty, so you know that I really use it, and you know that I will be giving you a full-on review on the whole experience. And this one also is almost out, as you can see. So if you're interested to know more about these two products, this video is for you, so please keep on watching. Alright, so let's talk first about this Vaseline Gluta Smart Serum. You all know that I love the combo that I shared before. That is the Vaseline Gluta Hya Pink Lotion together with the Nivea Serum Lotion, if I'm not mistaken. And that was really one of the best combos that I've tried and is really effective. Up to this day, I would say that combo is really good. Tried and tested. But I've also seen a lot of people using this serum paired to the Vaseline Gluta Hya lotion. So I also tried it, and I would say this is really perfect for our weather here in the country, in the Philippines. And this really is not sticky. This is lightweight. After you put it on, you would instantly feel the glow that the usual Vaseline Gluta Hya can give you. Plus, it really dries so quick, and it doesn't feel sticky at all. So this is really a plus. So it has pink beads in there that you could really feel in your skin when you use it. And yeah, that's the amount that I have already used. This is the amount that I've already used, and I could say that this really is effective. So this is how it looks like. Right, so you can see how it's glowing. I already put some here on both of my arms, but that is the glow that it's gonna give you. It instantly gives you a radiant glow after using it. And more details about this formula is for people with dull skin problems, with dark spots, and this nourishes the skin to look radiant and helps fade dark spots as well. So for longer use, you would really see a difference in your dark spots. Definitely, you really have to use the whole bottle for you to be able to see the difference. But when you talk about the radiance and the glow that it gives you, it instantly gives you the glow that you need. And of course, dull skin no more. Definitely no more dull skin for you. So if you're also into making or lightening your dark spots, you definitely have to use the full bottle to see the difference, to see the whole difference that it can give you. It's not going to give you an instant whitening on your dark spots because no product can do that, but this definitely will lighten it naturally, slowly but surely. So that's what I could say about this. This has 5% niacinamide that helps reduce blemishes and sunspots. This accumulates deep dark spots and damaged skin as well. This also has vitamin C that helps restore dull skin, like I talked earlier, and this helps to brighten the skin naturally. Yes, I would agree with the natural, glowing, radiant skin with this product. I have seen it, and I could really tell the difference. It feels like you are really taking good care of your skin. It feels like you are going to the derma, you are going to your spa clinics to get your skin glowing. It feels like that, but just in a bottle. So this is recommended to be used in the morning and in the evening, and with the smell of this is a really good smell. I'm very picky with the smell of beauty products because I don't really want the floral scent or a medicated scent. But this one is just the right amount of fragrance. I'm not sure if I can explain it so well, but the smell has a little bit of floral, but sweet floral scent that's not overpowering, that doesn't feel like you're putting on perfume on your face. So it's just the right amount of fragrance in a skincare product. So I would say yes, this is really good. You don't have to put on perfume on your skin. This one is enough. This really smells good in the perfect way. By the way, I got this Vaseline Gluta Smart Serum for 803 pesos. I know it's kind of expensive for this small bottle. This one is 76 ml. I know it's kind of expensive for a 76 ml bottle, but this one a little goes a long way with the serum. Like when you use it, as you can see, it's very runny, so you could spread it out in bigger places in just one pump. So I would say this would last you for a month or more than a month even. You just have to spread it well. A little goes a long way, and this will last you a long time as well. I would say this is worth it. Just trust the process and see the difference for yourself. I suggest you get this one. Let's move on to the next product, which is the Vaseline Gluta Hya lotion. This is the overnight radiance repair that revitalizes skin overnight. So this is, from the name itself, from the title itself, this is perfect for night use. But honestly, I use this in the morning and in the night. But when I go out, I top it off with an SPF 50 sunscreen, especially if I go out, because this has vitamin C, so you really have to top it off with a sunscreen for you not to get darker, since it has, like I said, vitamin C. So this is really recommended at night. I would say you could use the Vaseline Pink Gluta Hya in the morning and this blue variant at night to really revitalize or get that glowing skin when you wake up. So let me talk more about this product. So this has Gluta Glow, which is 10 times more powerful than vitamin C. This helps to reduce the causes of dull skin. This also has hyaluron that boosts skin's moisture for dewy skin, and 10 times amino peptide complex that nourishes and revitalizes tired skin to make it look radiant and plumped overnight, while strengthening the skin barrier to prevent moisture loss, which means this gives you a moisturized and glowing skin when you wake up. So this is the newest addition to the Vaseline Gluta Hya lineup that we have tried and we all love, which I would say pink and the blue one would be the perfect combo. Pink in the morning and blue at night. Since I'm also using this in the morning, I would suggest that you top it off with a sunscreen, preferably with SPF 50, because this is definitely not to be used in the morning, but I did since I really just wanna use it all up. Since I really just want to see the difference and working from home, and I use it in the morning, so I feel like that's okay. But if you are planning to go outdoors and you're planning to use it in the morning, make sure to use sunscreen with this one. But with my whole experience with this, I would say this is really, really nice. This definitely moisturizes my skin, especially when you're really stressed, when you're tired from work, from all of the adulting things. This one definitely is a pick-me-up type of product that really helps give you a radiant glow that doesn't make you look like you're really tired, that you're stressed. So this is how this is the consistency of the product. It's very lightweight, definitely not sticky, dries up really quickly, which is very perfect for the weather here. So that's what it looks like. This is with, this is without. Can you see the glow? So what I really like about this is, aside from the fact that it really gives you a glow when you wake up, it really gives you the radiant glow and really revitalizes your skin and makes it look healthier. What I like about this is that you could really see the difference in the long run, wherein your skin would definitely be brighter, be lighter compared to the past month wherein you haven't used this product. And as always, Vaseline Gluta Hya lotion variants, all the variants are definitely worth buying and worth your money, because this really gives out results. This doesn't give you a fake result wherein your skin is lighter, but then when you wash it off, it really shows your true skin. But this one definitely gives you, even if you wash this off, you would really see that the glow is still there, and eventually your skin will be lighter and brighter in the long run. So you just have to keep using this. And what I would say, if I would have to rank all the 3 Vaseline Gluta Hya lotions that I have tried, I would say number 1 would be the pink one. Definitely it's my first choice, the pink variant, and this will be the second choice because I like that it indicates that this is for the nighttime. I would definitely use the pink one in the morning and blue at night, and expect really great results with those 2 products. If I would say these 2 products, if you combine it and you use it religiously, if you use it religiously and continuously, you would really see the result in just a week. You would see the glow, the radiance that you can't see with other products. Trust me on this. This too is really nice. I actually saw on the newsfeed that the person is using the blue variant. This actually has 3 variants also. This has the pink one, which is this. This has the blue variant as well, and the red variant, which is for anti-aging. So I chose this Radiance Reloader because I want to have the radiance. I think the blue one is for moisture and the pink one is for radiance. So I just opted for the pink and blue combination, and it really worked well. I feel like it also works well with the blue one. However, my skin is not really that dry for me to use the blue variant just yet. So if you ask me if the pink and blue one would pair well, I would say yes. It worked well for me, as you can see. And I would definitely recommend this Vaseline Gluta Hya in blue for your nighttime use, and pink one in the morning. I got this blue Vaseline Gluta Hya for 980 pesos. This one is 330 ml, and I would say this 330 ml for 980 pesos is worth it because it would last you for more than a month. I think this has been with me for 2 months already, and it still has product in it. So this is very worth it. And also this has a smaller version, and I think that's much cheaper, but it would only last you for a month tops, if I'm not mistaken. This is definitely worth it, worth the price. Vaseline Gluta Hya lotion are just chef's kiss. This is worth your money. I know it's kind of expensive, but for 330 ml, a little goes a long way. Makes your skin really good. Definitely an investment for yourself, and I feel like it's also just a little amount that would really give you the biggest outcome or the best outcome for yourself. So yeah. Alright, so that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this very short review of my experience with these 2 products. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys learned something from this video. If you came here from this video and bought something from Vaseline, don't forget to tag me on Instagram at KYOTO. Follow me there for more updates. I know I haven't been active much here on YouTube, but I'm trying my best to be back on my reviews, on my daily product reviews and daily vlogs. I hope you keep on watching and supporting me in this channel. If you already tried this product, let me know what you think about this. And if you have other video suggestions that you want me to do on this channel, please comment it down below as well. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next vlog.